So let's solve the question number 11 of the CKS series. So first of all, I will be going to change the context and then let's read the question. So there is a existing secret called database access in namespace team green. We have to read the complete secret content directly from etcd, okay, and store it into this file. Then we have to write the plain and decoded secrets value of this key pass to this file. Okay, so first of all, let's see the secret which is present in team green namespace. So I will just run the command and yes, we are able to see now. If I just see, so we are able to see the value of this. So if we just do the echo and decode this secret using base 64-D, so the value of this is confidential and we have to. So in the second question you can see that we have to write the plain and decode secret value of this key pass into this file. So what we will do, we will just paste it here and let's verify first. So yeah, it is correct. Now let's go to the first thing, which is we have to read the complete secret content directly from etcd. So as soon as you can see that they're asking you to read the secret using etcd way, so what you can do, you can just simply come here to the Kubernetes documentation and run etcd and you can just search etcd secrets. Then after that you can see encrypting confidential data at rest. So it looks familiar that we might get something here. So there should be a command to do this. Okay, so you can see using the command line tool, read the secret of out of etcd. There must be additional arguments for connecting to the etcd server. So as you can see, this is the command that we have to use as we have to print the content. So we won't be going to use hexterm -c, and I will just copy this till default because I have the secret name is different. So I will just copy this and we will be going to paste it here. But okay, I'll first of all become the sudo user. Now we will run this. So as you can see that this is default namespace. So what we have to do, we just need to provide the namespace, and in the namespace the database access is the secret we have to provide. And let's see. So yes, we are able to see the content of the secrets and the value, encoded value of the pass is here, and this is the decoded value you can see here. So it means that the encryption is not working for this etcd. That's why we are able to see this in the decoded way. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to copy this content into this secret content file. So we will just use concat command and let's verify this. And yes, we are able to see this.
So that's it for this question. Please check out the playlist for this CKS KillerShell series. The link is given in the description box, and also you can check out the pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.